Sevi.
Hello.
Welcome to Yoga Postures Fundamentals. In this part 2 tutorial of SIRSASANA, we're gonna focus on form plank. So here, come to form plank. This posture helps you to strengthen your core and connect your body to mind. Right, we're gonna start with the bottom to the top as always. Press the heels of your palms into the ground. Each knuckle, each fingertip. Now here you can drop money down if you feel shaky. If you need more stability, you can drop money down. Try dropping money down. So yeah, okay. Very important to drop your sitting bones down to create one straight line from the crown of the head down to heels. Yes, one straight line. We're gonna add one more challenge for your core. On your exhale, draw your left knee to your left tricep. Good. You can rub your back. Feel the burn in your glute muscles. Alright, switch your leg. Other side on your exhale, right into your right tricep. Hold. And release your toes. Your knees down. Take a little break. And repeat this for as many times as you can. Because that really helps you to build strength in your core and balance. This was part 2 of SIRSASANA. Make sure to check out part 3, which is dolphin pose. Great job. See you next time.